So good morning. Starting a ride. अभी ये 5:30 और 5:40 हो रहा है अराउंड एंड आज हम राइड करने वाले हैं, मी एंड माय फ्रेंड। हम लोग जाएंगे यहाँ से हसरगट्टा लेक। सरजापुर से 1 वे 50 किलोमीटर है ऑलमोस्ट। लाइट इज़ वेरी लो सो आई डोंट नो। सो 1 वे 50 किलोमीटर है अप्रॉक्स, तो बोथ वे 100 किलोमीटर के ऊपर होना चाहिए। Going to be a century ride, I think. So let us see. So almost 10 kilometers now. 10 किलोमीटर पे It's going to be morning. थोड़ी लाइट आनी शुरू हो गई है और to Bangalore even in the morning we have some traffic. Not too much, but थोड़ी ट्रैफिक तो है, even it is Sunday. Almost 14 kilometers now. और जहाँ मैं मिलना था 19 से, वहाँ पे 19 पहुँच चुका है और मैं 10 मिनट लेट हो रहा हूँ। थोड़ा 10 मिनट लेट हूँ, नॉट मच। मॉर्निंग में वार्मिंग अप बॉडी टेक लिटिल टाइम, तो स्पीड थोड़ा स्लो है अभी एंड स्लोली इट विल इम्प्रूव। So I reached and finally here is Mr. Unni. So from here we will go Hasargatta? Yeah, Jalali Hasargatta. Okay, cool. Now I don't have to worry because Unni knows the way. So this is very close to my office actually. Just behind this building. My office is there. So I am thinking that commuting to office by cycle is also not a bad option. Let's see. So this is a pipeline road and we are almost 33 kilometers on the way to Hasargatta Lake. थोड़ा सा अब सिटी से बाहर आ गए हैं, so traffic is less. Here we are on Hasargatta Dam and pretty nice, lot of birds there but very far off. There is a pretty nice temple there, तो वहाँ पे जाके देखते हैं थोड़ा आगे। Some cyclists over there cleaning the lake. BL pedal pushers. I am here with the entire team. नागार्जुना कॉलेज स्टूडेंट. दे हैव डन वंडरफुल. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारा कचरा क्लीन किया इन्होंने लेक को क्लीन करने के लिए. Cycle to. Cycle to. Cycle to. Pedal. Pedal.
To manage this plastic, we have to follow 4 R's. First R is refuse plastic. Second R is reduce plastic. Third R is recycle plastic. Refuse. Reduce. Recycle.
Reuse.
Two more times. 4 R, no? We have done two R's. Then we have to do louder voice. Okay?
Reduce. Cycle. Reuse.
One more last time. Okay?
Oh.
We all follow in our house, in our table, house,
So I'm with some wonderful people here, and
city.
it's amazing to say that they've come all the way to clean the lake, and we all should take care of whatever we are growing here and there. So these are the people who are coming and cleaning our kachra which is coming on the Hasargatta lake. If we are little careful about managing our stuff, I think it will do a lot better to this lake. Excuse me. Thoda side, please.
I'm a mess.
Please.
Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest. 'Cause I'm a mess. No more you.
Down again, down, again down, again up. What is this, man? Why we can't have straight roads? Again up. So almost 60 kilometers now, and we have stopped for a Dayal Pani. 40 more kilometers to go around. Good to.
It must be nice you went and got a penthouse. All your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest. Still a baby bird price straight off the nest like you.
Almost 95 kilometer done. 7 or 8 kilometer is now left for. So pretty exhausted. The 100-kilometer ride was today. So I finally reached back. Almost 105 kilometers. And today this was my second 100-kilometer ride. The first one which I had done from same place, from Sarjapur to airport, and by then I reached back around 4, the same time I started. Then also at around 6 a.m. in the morning. Today also around 5:45 in the morning. So reached back. Last time I had reached back around 4. So today it is around 1:40. So a much better timings in terms of my own personal timing. Otherwise, there are so many good cyclists. They do much better. But just to start, this is kind of some long endurance rides which I am trying to do. One thing I realized that a lot of liquids on the way, small breaks, and then not long breaks when for food and all, because if you take long break it becomes difficult for regain the momentum. So small breaks, lot of liquids, always small portion to eat, some carbs, some protein, mix of all this, and I felt energy all the way today. Little bit of heaviness on my legs because obviously for the long because of the long ride, and so probably slowly it will improve. So this is it, I think. Stay connected and like the channel, subscribe if you wish. I'll be posting and I'll be sharing obviously photography related stuff and a little bit of my travels. So wish you all